Hey YouTube, Brent here. Welcome back to another affiliate marketing episode where I reveal the best offers you can promote right now that are crushing it in the affiliate marketing space. Remember, these offers don't require you to create your own product, handle any shipping, or take care of customer service, or even build a website. As an affiliate, all of this is done for you. Your job is to simply promote these products or services and collect a commission on every single sale. And today I'm going to show you how you can make money in the crypto space without using any of your own money to buy crypto yourself. And if you stay until the end, I'll show you how this method can be turned into a full-time income just by using affiliate marketing. But before we dive in, go ahead and smash that like button. While you're there, hit that subscribe button so that you never miss another video. I'm also a big fan of the comment section. I enjoy hearing about what you have to say about affiliate marketing and also base my videos on the comments given below. So go ahead, like, subscribe, and comment. All right, let's get into it. Step 1, instead of spending your hard-earned money on Bitcoin or other cryptocurrency, we're going to teach you how to become an affiliate of a platform called Coinbase. Now, Coinbase allows you to join their program and both buy and sell the big and smaller altcoins on their platform. So whether you're investing long-term in Bitcoin or Ethereum, or if you're into the Dogecoin, you can trade using the Coinbase platform. But instead of investing, we're going to become an affiliate of Coinbase. And that means that we're going to have to create an account instead of buying up all the coins that you see on the platform and hoping that one of them goes to the moon. We're basically going to set up a special link that allows us to earn up to $10 in Bitcoin when someone else signs up into the program and invests in one of the coins. That's how you can make money in the crypto space without having to use your own money or research your own coin. And this is great because no matter what the price of Bitcoin is next year, you'll still be making money because you're already receiving commissions and you won't have to worry about investing your own money. Now, step number 2 is we're going to create an affiliate funnel. I use a software called ClickFunnels, which allows us to quickly build these affiliate funnels out. Here's the quick breakdown of how affiliate funnels work. Typically, there's only 2 parts. First, there's a landing page where you can invite someone to give you their email address in exchange for a gift that you create or find. Next is a thank you page, which gives your new subscribers their free offer as well as a chance to purchase the product or service that you're an affiliate for. In this case, the offer that you're going to sign up for is a Coinbase account to start investing. Now, you'll see why gathering these email addresses and building a list is so important later on in this video, but for now, just know that these pages are designed to build your email list. Now let's go ahead and check out an example of an opt-in page. Again, this was built with ClickFunnels. Now, you'll notice this particular opt-in page is very simple. These pages do not need to be complex, and they don't need a ton of images or text, just a simple invitation. In this case, a free training on how to invest in crypto, as well as a place for an email address. Since we're talking about crypto right now, the free gift that you'll offer can be a PDF guide or a video training on the best coins to buy right now. Heck, it can even be a simple tutorial on how to buy and sell crypto coins because for many people, it's still a huge mystery. Now, let's look at a good example of a thank you page. Again, notice the simplicity. We give them the free gift that they were promised, in this case, a free training, and then have another call to action to claim their $10 reward. When someone clicks on that button, they'll go to your affiliate link for Coinbase, sign up for an account, get their free crypto, and then you'll be given a commission. In my mind, there isn't a simpler way to build an email list and to start making money online. Now, these email addresses you collect, however, are pretty useless unless you follow up with them. And that's where we talk about step number 3. And that's to follow up with email. This is one of the most important steps, which is email marketing. You've got to follow up with email. The old method of affiliate marketing was simply to find a product, send traffic, getting commissions, and heading on your merry way. This was like a one and done, a one commission deal. Let's take our crypto offer for instance. The old method is to just send traffic to your affiliate link for the offer and collect a commission when that comes in. This isn't really a business. It's basically you just acting as a marketing agent. To build a long-term, profitable business, you need assets. And what's the most valuable asset that you can own? That's right, it's your email list. So now that you're using a sales funnel like the one I showed you, you're not only collecting commissions, but you're also gathering email subscribers. Without an email list, it's hard to make multiple commissions and see the success that you want. If you take nothing else from this video, here's what I want you to know. You need an email list to make multiple commissions. It's essential for your long-term massive success. Now, one thing that's helped me in the affiliate marketing process is partnering with a digital marketing expert who has been through different challenges and built a successful business. The specific program I recommend to everyone is called Partner with Anthony, created by Anthony Morrison. In this program, Anthony walks you through how to set up a sales funnel and an email marketing system. And the focus of this program is to build an email list, the core concept of what we talked about today, and creating a way to earn multiple commissions from the same customer, some of which are recurring revenue. My belief is that affiliate marketers require recurring revenue streams to scale their business. The Partner with Anthony program has multiple recurring income opportunities, so it's a one-stop shop of an entire ecosystem. When you send traffic to the ecosystem, it takes over and generates multiple commissions for you. The best part, people like you and me get to partner with Anthony himself. He's the spokesperson, the sales guy. He pitches and sells his own products, but we get the commissions. That means no selling on your part. And if this piques your interest at all, go ahead and click on the link in the description below. Check it out to learn more. My guess is that you'll at least learn something new that can help you in your business today. And again, the link is in the description below. Check it out if you want to learn more. And that's a wrap, YouTube. I want to thank you so much for staying with me until the end. If I've provided value in this video, please hit that like button. And if you want to learn more about other online strategies to generate income that work today, check out this video I've linked either in the card above or in the end screen. I'd also like to know if you've already tried a salary supplementing side hustle. What strategies are you using? What niche are you in? Write a little something below. I'd love to start a friendly conversation with you. This is Brent, your friendly affiliate, telling you to stay straight, stay true, and most importantly, never give up.